Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all well. Okay, so let us quickly start with the session. So in this session, I'm going to explain how to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, conversion, and I will also help you with a trick. Okay, so how to try to and convert very quickly. Okay, so this is the main intention. So first, a basic question like how to convert, why we need to convert to Fahrenheit to degree Celsius always. So see, SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Even though the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, why we are always converting Fahrenheit to Celsius? Question arises, right? So why we are converting? Because Celsius is a type of a standard thing which we are using it everywhere. And one more thing, this is actually one more reason. So because we will always keep water as a reference. At water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So keeping that particular thing in my mind, we will try to always convert, and all the problems or any chemistry related practicals all will be last we will try to convert it in terms of Celsius as far as possible. And in some times we will also be required to Kelvin also. It's not like Celsius is there, okay, it's a standard. So Kelvin is the main thing, but still we are most usefully used. I mean, we are mostly aware with the help of degree Celsius usage itself. Okay, so that is why. So Kelvin we will use it, but not much in our day-to-day activity. So we will say room temperature is this much. Okay, so today temperature is, so whatever is there we will try to express in terms of Celsius, as it is easy to understand and we are also used to it. Okay, so this is the main, just a, I mean, question like okay, so this is all about why to convert to a degree Celsius. Okay, so yes, so now how to convert from Fahrenheit to degree Celsius is the question. Simple thing, using this formula you can convert it. So why we have to convert? One more reason, examination point of view, because in most of the problems it will be asked in terms of degree Celsius itself. Options will be in terms of degree Celsius only, and in question it is asked in Fahrenheit. I mean, the data given is Fahrenheit. So in that case you have to convert it into degree Celsius, otherwise you will not be able to choose any of the options. Okay, so because all the options are in degree Celsius, so in that case conversion is going to be extremely important. Okay, so using this formula, okay, it is you, I hope you are aware. So C equal to F minus 32 into 5 by 9. Okay, so this is the basic formula which is very important. Please remember, degree Celsius is equals to F minus 32 into 5 by 9. So suppose say F is given, then please substitute it. You will get it in and multiply it by minus 32 we have to do it, and multiply by 5 by 9 we will get in degree Celsius. And this is the main method which we usually adopt. Suppose say there is very less time and you have to guess the answer sometimes. Okay, this is just a trick and it may not give you the accurate result. That is what I am trying to say you. So please, this is not like with this help trick you can easily get with the exact answer. Okay, it's just a trick. Okay, so I'm making it clear now so that you can try to guess the options, or you can guess like how much is equivalent. I can guess the answer. So because of some speedy mathematics calculation, I have just, I'm trying to give you some trick actually here. Okay, how it is, how it works. For example, 74 Fahrenheit is given. So you are asked to convert it into degree Celsius. Okay, so one thing is, this is recommended basically. So this is whatever using formula, this is recommended. But sometimes if we want to get it, guess it very quickly, then we have to use this trick. So coming to trick later part, so using the formula only, if you calculate, so C is equal to F minus 32 into 5 by 9. So F you have to substitute as 74, 74 minus 32 and multiplied by 5 by 9. It comes to around 23.33, somewhere 23. So using trick, how to make use of this trick? Whatever in Fahrenheit they are given, just subtract 30 from that. Just blindly subtract 30 from that. So 74 minus 30 you have to do it. That comes around 44. Okay, 44. So 44, whatever answer will come, you just divide it by 2, you will get the answer 22. So 74 minus 30, it's 44. Okay, 44 divided by 2 is 22. That is the answer. Whatever answer comes after subtracting 30, just divide it by 2, you will get the answer. That is a thing. Okay, so this 22 is the answer, but when you calculate with the help of this formula, okay, you will get it as 23 point something. Okay, so that is the, and using this trick you will get 22. So if the options are like very far, there is very much difference, then you can easily guess the answer as 22 without using calculator also. Okay, so this is the one trick. Okay, you can use it sometimes whenever it is if you want to guess any of the answer. Okay, otherwise it is recommended to use this formula itself, c equals to f minus 32 and into 5 by 9, which you already know, I guess. So this you can use it. So it's all about this trick. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates or notifications, and like, share. Okay, and please let me know in case of any doubts. You can comment in the YouTube comment section as well, and if you want to know any of the electronics and communication related topic or physics, you can please comment also, and I will try to cover it as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you, take care, bye.